नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Tanedar, Kotaris, visitors, viewers, everyone sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Enlighten app, Kailasa TV, Hinduism Now TV, Twitter, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha. I welcome all of you with my love and respects. Please understand, I'll make just few simple, straightforward statements, highest truths to prepare you for tomorrow's Shakti Mandala process. Listen. Paramashiva exists. First. Second, he is here in the form of Nityananda Paramashivam to give the best Paramashiva Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana. The highest knowledge and highest sciences, applied sciences. Everything to all of you. Listen. Simply what Paramashiva is giving, receive and celebrate your life. That's all. Just this three simple statement. Paramashiva exists. He is here manifesting through Nityananda Paramashivam to give you all the ultimate Paramashiva Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana. Powerful cognitions and powers. Paramashiva Jnana means, I'll roughly equate it into powerful cognitions. Paramashiva Vijnana means, I'll roughly equate it into powers and other manifestations of the powerful cognitions. Receive it and celebrate it. That's it. I'm so happy. People are so intelligent in the modern days. Sangha is spreading like anything. People are understand the racist religions, terrorist ideologies, politically capturing land using religion and ideologies to politically capture a land. All these kind of theologies and religions have failed. They are kicked out by common man from his life. That is why yoga is the largest practiced religion, understand, in the world. Yoga is already the largest practiced religion in the world because people have started kicking out all the extremist, terrorist theologies and ideologies. Understand? Any organization, religion talks only about one God is a cult. Any organization, religion accepts many gods and multiple gods and all gods is a culture. This is the basic definition. Any organization, any theology, any religion accepts many gods, multiple gods, all gods is culture, religion. Modern day people are tired of extremists trying to destroy Hinduism. People are tired, really tired. The modern day man wants religion only for knowledge and to enrich his life and others' life. Modern day nobody wants religion to grab land and see. One of the greatest service United Nations has done is made war irrelevant. War is no more a strategy for life and expansion. You can't win the world by war anymore. I want all of you to see the great movie recently released called Syera. Syera. It is about one great Hindu freedom fighter in India. Hindu freedom fighter. Please see the movie. It was acted by one hero, famous hero called Chiranjeevi. He has done a wonderful job. And also one more superstar, Amitabh Bachchan, has acted. Please watch the movie. I want all of you to see the movie. To understand how racists have invaded India and destroyed our culture in multiple ways. The movie full name is Syera Narasimha Reddy. That's the full name of the movie. It has come in multiple languages. Please watch the movie. I really want all of you to watch the movie. I want you to understand how the racists have entered our own land and destroyed our backbone. The Gurukul Sampradaya. How we became poor because we lost Hinduism. We are not poor because of Hinduism. We became poor because we lost Hinduism. Hinduism is most intelligent, enriching tradition. I want all of you to know. Please watch the movie, then you will understand. In the modern day, United Nations has made war as an irrelevant lifestyle. It's no more a relevant lifestyle. War is not going to benefit anyone. That is why the racists have now changed the strategy. Intellectual war. And eliminating individuals through tactics, strategies. Understand? Because now you cannot grab the land by war, start destroying the religion in a very strategic, tactic way, call them cult and finish them off. Easy to enslave people. Understand? Hinduism is the most liberating, enriching religion. I am here to give the best things of Hinduism to all of you. Paramashiva Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana. I also wanted to prepare all of you for tomorrow's Shakti Mandala. Tomorrow is two important things. One, Shakti Mandala process. You may also be wondering why I decided tomorrow. Tomorrow is the energies of Nataraja's dance, cosmic dance is starting tomorrow. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, these 2 days, there's an intense energy flow. The Nataraja's next Abhishekam means where the next Kala Abhishekam of Nataraja from the higher zone is performed. I want all of you to be prepared for the Nataraja Abhishekam and Shakti Mandala process. I want all of you to watch the Siyara Narasimha Reddy movie to know few hundred years before how the racists were invading, coming into our own land, enslaving us, attacking us, destroying our culture, plundering our wealth, trillions of dollars wealth, and stealing our knowledge, rebranding. Understand? How tactically they were doing few hundred years before. And I wanted all of you to watch the Wild Wild Country, that documentary also, to see how in the recent past they were doing. And then soon we are releasing the whole evidence we collected and the whole evidences collected by the international investigation agencies to the whole world to see all the conspiracies against me and my Sangha and all the assassination attempts. Fortunately for all of us, failed assassination attempts. We are all blessed and protected by Paramashiva, Parashakti, Mahakala Bhairava and Mahakali. Because of the protection of Mahakala Bhairava and Mahakali, all the assassination attempts have failed badly. Actually, if you see these two movies, the Sierra Narasimha Reddy and Wild Wild Country, you will have an idea how strategically, cunningly Hinduism is targeted, attacked. The multiple layers of strategy, multiple layers of attacks, you will understand. Today, many ashrams, centers, temples, adhinams, gurukuls are doing samskara dahana kriya. I am blessing all the ashrams and temples, adhinams. Starting the preparation of samskara dahana kriya process, I am initiating all of you formally, blessing all of you formally. The adhinams, all of you, and all the adhinams and devotees gathered for samskara dahana kriya process, Singapore adhinam, Hyderabad adhinam, Nityananda Home Temple Banashankari, Nityananda Satsang Center Indranagar, Nityananda Satsang Center Noida, Satsang Center South Delhi, Satsang Center Guptakashi, Satsang Center Punjab, Satsang Center Rajasthan, and all the other ashrams, temples, adhinams, Hyderabad adhinam, Singapore adhinam, all of you, I bless you all for this successful samskara dahana kriya and successfully achieving the Shakti Mandala process, fruits and results. Listen carefully. The samskara dahana kriya will create a beautiful, intense, sweet space in all of you. For you to experience Shakti Mandala process tomorrow, actually, tonight, Indian time, the Nataraja energy starts. So the first Abhishekam starts. Then tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next 48 hours, the intense cosmic dance goes on, because for us, 1 year is 1 day for Devatas. So from the Indian Standard Time, 6:30 p.m. evening today, to next 48 hours, the high cosmic energy, Parashakti, will be available to all of us. So, let's use this to manifest Parashakti. Understand one more thing. all you need to know about the Samskara Dahana Kriya and Shakti Mandala process. Listen. Bliss is the energy inside. When that manifests, you manifest all the powers. But when patterns get recorded in your inner space, see, all the verbalization gets recorded in time zone, all the visualization and intention gets recorded in the space zone. Listen, like a length, breadth, depth, time, space, different dimension are the zones of you. All the inner verbalization gets recorded in time zone. All your intentions and visualizations get recorded in the space zone. With the Samskara Dahana Kriya, you will have so much of cleansing happening in you. Understand? If you do Samskara Dahana Kriya intensely, then you will understand how I am empowering bliss side of you and enlightening you. How the abusers are empowering negative side of you. You will really see how I am making you God and abusers are making you devil and demon. See, human being is a possibility. Either you can become God and enlightened, reach Kailasa, or you can become devil, demon and reach Naraka, hell. It's your choice. What you consume continuously, what you internalize continuously is going to decide what you are going to become. If you do the Samskara Dahana Kriya and get rid of strong patterns, then you will understand, oh God, how Swamiji is empowering me and making me more and more blissful, light, happy, enlightened, more and more becoming like God, goddesses. He is raising me to the space of Kailasa. And how the abusers, on the other hand, putting all kinds of negativity in you, breaking your possibility and destroying you, and strengthening your negative patterns and putting you into hell. Abusers are representatives of hell and they enroll people for hell. Nityananda is representative of Kailasa and I enroll you for Kailasa. Where you want to go, listen to them. You decide you want Kailasa or hell. You decide. Every time you do Samskara Dahana Kriya, your pure bliss space starts manifesting. First it comes out as a peace space, peace. Eternal silence, Paramashantatva. Then from that blasting of Paramashiva's bliss, Paramashiva Ananda, Nityananda starts. Understand? I bless you all and initiate you all to do the Samskara Dahana Kriya successfully and clear all the time dimension of you and space dimension of you. So Parashakti can manifest. Mahakala Bhairava and Mahakali can manifest and bless all of us. Protect all of us from devils, demons, evils. First thing demons and devils and evils will do is disconnect you from the Guru. Because as long as you are connected to Guru, they cannot destroy you. Disconnecting you from the Guru. Once you are disconnected, they won the game. They will destroy you and put you in hell. You want hell's enrollers or Kailasa's enrichers? You decide. You decide. What do you want? I am directly connecting you to Paramashiva. Come on, I am very clear. I am telling you, directly connect with Paramashiva. Have the deity of Ganesha. Have the deity of Shiva. Have the deity of Paramashiva. Have the deity of Vishnu. Have the deity of Subramanya. Have the deity of Navagrahas. Have the deity of Parashakti. And I also wanted to address one more internal issue, small internal issue. It's very small, but I wanted to address. Many of the traditional Hindus were questioning me, which Sampradaya your Swamiji belongs to, which Sampradaya Nityananda belongs to. Please understand, in Hinduism, we had various mutts, monasteries, Sampradayas. The Sarvanya Pitas were always a university where all Sampradayas were taught. I am head of the multiple traditional Sarvanya Pitas existed, and I am reviving multiple traditional Sarvanya Pitas. Understand? Madurai was Sarvanya Pita. Tiruvannamalai was Sarvanya Pita. If you see in Tiruvannamalai, Ramana Maharshi is more Vedantic tradition. Ram Surat Kumar is more Bhakta. Bhakta Sampradaya means devotion. And Seshadri Swamigal is Sakta. He is a Shakta Sampradaya person. But Arunachala itself is a Sarvanya Pita. Understand? Sarvanya Pita is like a university where all the Sampradayas of Hinduism are taught and flourished. All Hindu Sampradayas flourished. So, Nityananda Sangha is like a Kailasa where all Hindu Sampradayas flourish. It's a Sarvanya Pita where all Hindu Sampradayas flourish. I am here to revive all Hindu Sampradayas. That is the beauty of Hinduism. Hinduism is not excluding, it includes everything, everyone, every possibility, and every Sampradaya. So I want all my disciples also to know the right answer when people question you. With this, I bless you all. Let you all have successful samskara dahana kriya. Clean up all the negative patterns, ideas, powerlessness you have carved in your time and space inside. Let Mahakala Bhairava and Mahakali protect all of us. You will all be by the grace of Paramashiva. You will all be free from fears and sufferings. Understand? I want all of you to see the Sierra movie, Sierra Narasimha Reddy. Why? How the racists come and create fear in all of us and do not allow the Hindu kingdoms to flourish. How they create the fear psychosis, terrorize the Hindus. Understand? If the Hindu kingdoms flourish, Hindus will flourish, which is dangerous for races. It is not just in India, all over the world these racists and supremacists have gone and destroyed Hinduism and all the indigenous versions of Hinduism. You should see that movie. Only then you will understand. How the racists penetrate, enter, and even grab few of the disgruntled elements. See, in any kingdom, any organization, there will be one or two disgruntled elements. Enrolling them and using them, how they create the crimes and how they brand the Hindus, and how before shooting a dog, brand it as a mad dog and make everyone believe that dog is mad dog, then shooting it is easy. Understand? See, if you convince everyone this dog is a mad dog, shooting it is easy. Nobody will question you. How they brand Hindus and indigenous traditions. How Tibetan Buddhism is branded as a cult by the people who want to destroy the whole Tibetan Buddhism. Just see. Whenever you want to destroy someone, brand them as cult. You will be shocked. Tibetan Buddhism is branded as a cult by the people who want to eliminate Tibetan Buddhism. Understand? The extremists, terrorists, racists, fascists always brand Hinduism as a cult so they can easily eliminate it. They get the moral right to kill, poison, destroy Hindus en masse, destroy the culture. They get the moral right and nobody questions them. Everyone supports them. When you brand them as a cult and make the world believe Hindus are cult, job becomes easy. Understand all this, oh Hindus, wake up. Keep your inner space pure and powerful so that devils cannot enroll you for hell. Keep yourself pure and powerful. Protect yourself intelligently and don't fall for all the cunning strategies. People who are trying to destroy you, hell, destroy you and enroll you for hell, they will be very sweet. Devil is always very sweet. It is Kala Bhairava who is ferocious. Understand? Guru who has a responsibility to train you. Who has to raise you to Kailasa. He works with you, trains you. He takes the responsibility for you. But the people who want to destroy you, they'll be very sweet, cunning, very smart, but they will put you in hell. Be careful. Be careful. Don't go behind the people who enroll you for hell. Their first job is disconnecting you from Guru. Then they can destroy you. Be pure and be powerful. Clear your inner space through samskara dahana kriya and be powerful. Do not allow the cunning games, devils, demons, rakshasas to enroll you for hell. Who empowers you, who enlightens you, who makes you more and more conscious, powerful, go with them. Live with them. These two movies will really help you to understand the various different levels of attack happening on Hinduism. So the essence is do the samskara dahana kriya, clean your inner space and keep yourself pure, absolutely pure, extremely powerful, and be ready for tomorrow's Shakti Mandala process. Para Shakti is going to manifest. Beautifully, she is going to dance and manifest in all of us. Now, let us start preparing ourselves for tomorrow's Shakti Mandala. Understand today's one powerful cognition. Let us be pure and powerful. This is today's powerful cognition. Keep yourself pure and powerful. Do not allow yourself to be enrolled for hell. The Guru abusers, anti-Hindu elements, extremists, terrorists who are attacking Hinduism, Hindu traditions, are enrolling you, trying to enroll you for hell. Be enriched by the representatives of Kailasa. Don't be enrolled by the representatives of hell. Don't eat poison. Don't allow powerlessness abuses. maintain the strong spiritual connection with your Guru and reach the space of Kailasa. So today's powerful cognition: keep yourself pure and powerful. Chant the Mahavagya and sit straight.
Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Let Paramashiva
Om Nityananda
protect all of us. Let Paramashiva and Parashakti manifest in all of us. Let Paramashiva and Parashakti manifest in all of us.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Let Paramashiva, Parashakti, Mahakala Bhairava, Mahakali.
Om Nityananda
All the fellows who are abusing Nityananda and Nityananda Sangha.
Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 परमशिवोऽहम्
ॐ नित्यानन्द परमशिवोऽहम्. I bless you all and initiate all of you into Samskara Dahana Kriya, and all the Kayakalpa Yoga participants in Bidadi, in Madurai, in Tiruvannamalai, all of you should continue to eat 3 times, do 3 times yoga, 1 time puja, be in silence. Silence is one important thing. No external verbalization or internal verbalization. You can only communicate by writing for any survival need with your team lead. The team lead for Bidadi is Achala. Team lead for Tiruvannamalai is Ma Atma Priya. Team lead for Madurai. Team lead for Madurai is Parashiva. So, you can communicate only with your team lead by writing any survival need. Other than that, continuously vibrate in Mahavagya and practice Mano Mauna. Mana Unmana. So, with this, essence of today's satsang: be pure and powerful. Get enriched by the representatives of Kailasa. Don't get destroyed by the people who are enrolling you for hell. Be powerful through Paramashiva's Jnana and Paramashiva Vijnana. Go with people who give you enlightenment and empower you. So, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Paramashivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.